Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 8 divided by t is equals to square root of t, and we solve this problem for all the values of t. So here first we need to rewrite this equation as in this form, and here we move this t from left hand side to the right hand side. You see here this t is divided by here. When we move it into the right hand side, it will be written as 8 is equals to t times of square root of t. So further we need more simplifications here, and now in the next step we need to remove this square root sign from right hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. And we have this is 8 square, and 8 square becomes 64 is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we obtain this is t square into square root of t and its whole square. And in the next step we have this is t square times of this 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain t, and in the left hand side we have this is 64. Further in the next step we have this is 64 is equals to t square multiplied by t is equals to t cubed. And now we move 64 to the right hand side, and we will obtain t cubed minus 64 is equals to 0. So after little bit simplifications, you see here we convert our given equation into the cubic form. Okay, and here we write this proper into the cubic form as t cubed minus, we know about that, 64 be the cube of 4, and it will be written as 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here after simplification we get our given equation into cubic form, and here we use the nice cubic formula to solve this problem. So here first we write first we state the quadratic formula which we use here, and you know about that, if we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So we apply this nice formula on here, and you see that the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y, and we substitute the values of x and y into the below formula, and it will be written as in this form. So here the first factor is x minus y, the value of x is t minus the value of y is 4 into this is x square, the value of x is t square plus the value of x is t into y is 4 plus, again this is y square, the value of y is 4 square, and this whole equation is equal to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t minus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write t square plus 4t plus, this is 4 square and 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, here we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and it will becomes t is equals to plus 4. So here you see that we will get the first root of the given equation is t is equals to 4. And now here in the same pattern we need to find the other roots of the given equation. So for other roots we solve this quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as t is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as in this form. We have t is equals to minus b, the value of b is 4. When we put it here, it will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. B is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 times of 16 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now further in the next step we have here we need to take common 16 inside the square root sign, and we will get here 16 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So here you see that when we apply this square root sign separately on both of these two values, we will get here minus 4 plus minus. We know that square root of 16 becomes 4, and this is 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3 square root, and it is divided by 2. So here first we break this fraction, and it will become here minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus. This is 4 times of square root of minus 3, and we know that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. So we need more simplifications here, and we obtain t is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get minus 2 plus minus. This is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and finally we have there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and t equals to 4 be the one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.